Good evening, and welcome to Monobiology. Tonight we're going to talk about the cell cycle. The cell cycle has four major parts. We have G1, S, G2, and M, and those each stand for something. G1 stands for growth and normal metabolic roles. S stands for the synthesis phase. G2 stands for growth, second growth phase. And M stands for mitosis, which includes prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and of course cytokinesis should be here as well. The G1 phase is the first growth phase. Immediately following mitosis, the cells go through a series of growths and also perform whatever roles they are supposed to form within the organism. So if this was a liver cell, it would perform liver cell duties. During the synthesis phase, as you can see here, the DNA is replicated. This is important because if the DNA doesn't get replicated, then mitosis can't occur. Remember, mitosis is the creation of new cells from other cells, and the only way that can happen is if all of the DNA gets passed on. G2 is the second growth phase. It's another period of growth. It gets the cell ready for mitosis, but it also allows the cell to perform its usual duties. Again, if it was a liver cell, it would perform liver cell duties. The cell cycle is very important and has many checks and balances in place. For instance, if there is a mutation in the DNA of a cell, then this checkpoint right here may be bypassed. If that checkpoint is bypassed, the cell may quickly grow quicker than expected and may replicate its DNA quicker and then may go out through the whole process a little quicker. If that happens, the cell could become cancerous. As seen in this depiction here, a normal cell will grow and divide, and if something damages the cell, then the cell will perform apoptosis, which is basically the cell committing suicide for the greater good. We don't want one bad cell spoiling the whole thing. So it commits suicide to prevent any other cells from getting damaged. Now take a look over here at these cancer cells. Because the cell cycle has been thrown off, because those checks and balances have been bypassed, because these cancer cells are running right through the gates without paying the toll, they are able to grow and divide much more quickly than the normal cell can. Now, why is this a problem? What does that matter? Well, normal cells grow and divide at a certain rate. That allows them to replace old cells or allows for appropriate growth. Cancer cells, on the other hand, grow and divide so quickly that they begin to invade other areas of our body. They cause issues. They can cause blood vessels to be shut down. They can cause organs to be shut down. Obviously, that's not good for us.